Okay, and we're back for the next page here. So we were doing page 399 there. And we're gonna, if you haven't pulled this in Notability, pull it from Notability. But I'll start working on this one. Up on the top, I'm gonna read with the orange writing. It says write situation and solution equations. So write a situation equation and a solution equation, then solve the problem. So I'll use this first one, number 7. To really explain what they mean by, well, actually, I'll work through we'll be working through a couple problems on this one, to really explain what they mean by situation versus solution equation. But I'm going to use number 7 to help. Okay. 8 vans with the same number of students in each van took 40 students to the Science Center for a field trip. How many students were in each van? I'm going to start by I'm going to go back and underline some. So 8 vans. So 8 vans with the same number of students in each van took 40 students. And then we need to figure out, to the Science Center for a field trip, how many students were in each van. Well, that word each, I know that this is going to be now a multiplication division problem. So it looks like they're switching it up from addition subtraction to multiplication division probably. Okay, so I got to think, what's happening in this problem? Well, there's 8 vans, same number going each. The van took 40 students to the Science Center for a field trip. What means there are 8 vans. Same number going in each van. Okay, so if I'm going to think about this one, if I was going to just draw a picture for it, I could think about it like this. So there's 8 vans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same number going each. And then all together, do this. If I put all of these together, that'd equal 40. So I have to figure out how much is going to go in each of those. So my problem really is going to be 8 times m equals 40. Because it says sum. I don't know, or I should say, well, it's the same, but similar to sum. I don't know how many are going to go in each. So my situation equation is the equation that matches this. This is not what the real answer is right now. It's not my answer or anything. This is just what this is more so just what, like it's the equation that matches the word problem. It's the part that basically explains, okay, so this is what the word problem is about. Now I'm going to use this equation, though, to actually get the answer. So my real answer then, my solution equation looks like this. 8 times 5 equals 40. And then right after that, I'm going to write 5 students. So for each of these problems, you are going to do your solution equation or your situation equation. Basically, you're going to read the problem and figure out, okay, what would that equation look like? But you're going to be adding one of those variables, and a letter is one of the best things you're going to do. Or you can use a blank, or you can do a blank. You know, another way to do that same one would have been to do like 8 times blank equals 40. Or we know we've seen 8 times like a box equals 40. Or 8 times question mark equals 40. Or you can do just, 8 times J equals 40. Whatever you want to do for that. And then your second line is what the actual solution equation is with the answer. I'm going to do one more after that one. I'm going to do number 9. A bird sanctuary has 81 birds. Okay, I'm going to underline that. There are 9 birds in each section. And it's supposed to say how many sections are there. Okay. What's each again? So I know it's going to be multiplication or division. There's 81 birds. There's 9 in each. How many sections? Well, I already have the total for this one. So I know that this is going to be 81 divided by 9 equals, but how many go in each? I don't know. So that's going to be my n. So that will be my situation equation then. And I can think about it like this too. I have 81, and I'm going to split this into a bunch of things. I'm going to split this into a bunch of groups. So one. So I could draw a bunch. I kind of treat it a little bit like a math mountain, but not quite. But I like to draw my pictures like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 81 would be split into all of those. And I could draw an arrow to go to each of my little circle, or like, not an arrow, but a line to go to each of my circles, just to show that this is going to get split into all of these. But I don't need to do that. I really like doing more like this, just to show that 81 is going to be split into all of those. Okay, so 81 divided by 9 equals n. Oh, okay, well for my solution equation then, it's really just going to be 81 divided by 9 equals 9. And then my answer then is 9 sections. If you're trying to think, okay, what's the label? That's where you always want to go back and read the question, and it said how many sections? Well, 9 sections. Okay, well I'm gonna read number 8 and number 10 for you, and then I'll have you go and do those ones by yourselves. Fiona made some barrettes. She put 9 beads on each barrette. If she used 63 beads, how many barrettes did she make? Okay, you can do your own underlining if you need to, but just thinking about first what's the situation equation, and then what's your solution equation. Enrique has 56 miniature cars. He put the same number of cars on 7 shelves. How many cars are on each shelf? So make sure you have your situation equation and your solution equation. And I'll see you back.